Standard 8 Subject History. The Freedom Struggle of 1857 Part 2. Leadership of the struggle. During the 18th century CA, after the weakening of Mughal Empire, invaders like Nadir Shah Abdali attacked India. The Marathas understood that Mughal Empire cannot react to these foreign invasions and took up the responsibility of safeguarding the India. The Marathas fought against Abdali at Panipat for the same reason. Understanding the condition, Nanasaheb Peshwa, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, and Tatya Tope took up the charge of the freedom struggle of 1857. Its effect could be seen on the Hindu-Muslim unity in this struggle. The Indians wholeheartedly fought against the British, including soldiers, zamindars, kings, commanders, and common people. The Indian sepoys started a freedom struggle before the fixed time. Initially they succeeded, but military strength and administration of the British rule was vast. The British crushed down the struggle by all means. Bahadur Shah was imprisoned at Rangoon. Nanasaheb and Begum Hazrat Mahal took shelter in Nepal. Tatya Tope fought for next 10 months against the British, but due to betrayal, he was caught and hanged to death. In this way, by the end of 1858, the British ruthlessly crushed down the struggle. Causes of the failure of struggle. The struggle was not comprehensive. The struggle did not take place simultaneously all over India. Its intensity was more severe in North India, but Rajputana, Punjab, some parts of Bengal and Northwest India remained aloof. Second cause is lack of central leadership. There was no commonly accepted leader to fight against the Britishers. Third cause, most of the feudatory princes remained aloof. Fourth cause, lack of military tactics. Indian soldiers were brave but did not use tactics. They captured Delhi but could not retain it. Similarly, Indian rebels had limited arms supply. The British had economic strength, disciplined army, enough stock of latest arms and experienced army general. Fifth cause is international situation favorable for Britishers. The Crimean War with Russia was just over and the Britishers won the war. They had trade relations with the different countries in the world and the naval strength of British was vast, whereas the Indian rebels were isolated. Consequences of the freedom struggle. First one, end of the rule of East India Company. Due to the company's rule, there was growing dissatisfaction among the Indians and the British rule had to face the struggle of 1857. It forced the British Parliament to end the rule of company and instead take over the responsibility of ruling over the people of India through the Government of India Act 1858. Queen's Proclamation. It was made clear that the British Crown will honour all treaties and agreements made by the company with the rulers of princely states and no princely state will be annexed henceforth. Change in composition of army. The proportion of British soldiers was increased in the army. English officers were placed at strategic locations. Artillery was kept exclusively in the hands of the British. Change in the policy. They saw to it that there will be constant conflicts on the grounds of caste, religion, race, territory, etc. They adopted the policy of polluting the minds of Indians by following the divide and rule policy. Due to the freedom struggle of 1857, the Indians felt of giving a united fight against the British rule. The freedom struggle of 1857 became an inspiration of Indian freedom movement. Thank you.